How to find current phone number settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find current phone number settings on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and now click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and now click settings and then go down until you find this one, profile information, and then go down and you will find her contact info. Click edit and here you will find the current phone numbers, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.